Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This thing is going to be a monster. We have some highly reliable leaks that give us further details as to what kind of performance to expect from the S25 Ultra. And this is for the S25 Ultra exclusively. It is going to be faster than the S25 Plus and the S25, even though they're all going to be running the same Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. So let's dive in and get the details and see exactly what is going on. Oh, and by the way, we also have some bad news that I want to talk about, so we'll get to that as well towards the end. Now, before we dive in, as you may or may not know, on January 22nd, Samsung is doing something amazing. They will be launching their most powerful smartphone to date, the S25 Ultra. And you can actually reserve to pre-order right now. There is going to be a link down below. When you click that link, you are going to be at this website. When you reserve the S25 Ultra and reservation is 100% free, you are also entered for a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung gift card, which is mind-boggling. And this is just for reserving. And on top of that, you'll get $50 in free Samsung credits and up to $1,250 in savings on the day of the pre-order. So make sure to click the link down below to get started. So again, this is a no obligation offer. All you do is swipe down, put your name, your last name, your email, check this box to enter the giveaway for $5,000. All right, and then answer these two questions and then click the blue reserve now button. All right, so click the link down below, get that done. Remember, there is no obligation to buy. Alright, so the leaks come from Ahmed on Twitter. These are some exclusive leaks and they reveal some critical information. Now, first and foremost, take a look at this. The GPU, CPU, and NPU on the S25 Ultra is going to be significantly faster than the S24 Ultra, which is already a monster. So the graphics are going to see an improvement of 34%. It's going to be 34% faster graphics. Processing is going to be 38% faster. And then the NPU, which is for AI, is going to be 43% faster. So as AI is becoming more important in these smartphones, faster processing is definitely a must. But that's not everything. Here's something even more important. The vapor chamber on the S25 Ultra is going to be significantly improved. The vapor chamber is used for heat dissipation. The cooler the phone, the better sustained performance it can provide. So the S25 Ultra is going to have a 42% higher cooling rate than the S24 Ultra. That is significant. And finally, another very important thing, this is unique. The heat in the S25 Ultra is designed such that the heat gets distributed throughout the device so that you do not feel any heat. So overall, the phone is just gonna be cooler and faster. Remember, the cooler a processor can run, the more sustained performance you get. So when you're doing gaming, if you're doing video editing with your smartphones, which is very easy to do, you are just gonna get this sustained performance for longer periods of time. So without a question, the S25 Ultra is going to be a monster in performance. Now, in comparison, the S25 and the S25 Plus, they're only going to have 10% higher cooling rate compared to the S24 series. So that's why the S25 Ultra is going to be the king as usual. But also, we have some bad news. Ahmed has given us the final answer on the display specs for the S25 series. And we do know all about the display sizes. We have 6.9 on the S25 Ultra, and then 6.2 and 6.7 on the S25 and S25 Plus. However, the maximum peak brightness that we thought was going to be 3000 nits based on the previous leaks was not true. It looks like it's going to be 2600 nits, just like the S24 Ultra. So no upgrade as far as the display peak brightness is concerned. So we do have that amazing news, and we also have this bad news. And that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you remain subscribed so we can get you updates as they happen in real time. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.